Imagine a war where a single mistake doesn't trigger a battle, but instantly ends the world. Now imagine that this war is being fought right now, 4 miles beneath the ocean, in total, crushing darkness. For decades, the public looked at the skies, terrified of nuclear missiles. But they were looking in the wrong direction. The real nightmare was happening at the absolute bottom of the Earth. The Pentagon and the CIA poured billions into a shadow program. They built nuclear-powered ghost ships that officially never existed. Submarines with giant steel wheels designed to crawl along the Soviet ocean floor, and specialized divers who stepped out into the freezing abyss to steal the Kremlin's most guarded secrets. One wrong move meant instant death by water pressure or a nuclear world war. Welcome to the terrifying reality of the American Shadow Submarine program. In 1965, Admiral Hyman Rickover, the brilliant and ruthless father of the nuclear navy, initiated a project so classified that even senior naval commanders were denied access. It was named the NR-1. Launched in 1969, it remains the smallest nuclear-powered submarine ever built, measuring just 150 feet. It had no torpedo tubes, no weapons, and no periscope. Instead, it was a specialized espionage lab wrapped in a deep-diving hull. Engineers equipped it with massive external floodlights to pierce the pitch-black abyss, high-resolution cameras, a heavy-duty robotic arm, and most uniquely, retractable steel wheels. The NR-1 was built to literally drive along the ocean floor, hidden from every radar and sonar network on the planet. Operating under the cover of peaceful oceanographic research, this tiny nuclear ghost patrolled the deepest ocean trenches. Whenever a Soviet bomber crashed at sea, or a secret Soviet prototype missile failed and sank, the NR-1 was deployed in absolute secrecy. Operating right under the noses of Soviet surface recovery ships, the NR-1 used its robotic arm to dig out highly classified enemy hardware from the deep mud. It stole guidance systems, encrypted components, and warhead designs, lifting them to the surface before the Kremlin even realized the exact crash location. It was the ultimate deep-sea retriever, rewriting the intelligence balance of the Cold War in complete anonymity. While the NR-1 worked the trenches, the Shadow program executed even riskier operations inside enemy waters. Under Operation Holystone, the U.S. Navy heavily modified larger attack submarines, like the USS Halibut. Engineers cut the submarine open to install a massive, bulbous false bottom, high-tech analytical computers, and a specialized saturation diving chamber. These steel monsters sailed directly into the heavily fortified Sea of Okhotsk, navigating through Soviet defensive minefields and hydrophone arrays. Their mission sounded impossible: drop elite saturation divers directly onto the seabed to manually attach massive, multi-ton recording pods onto the Soviet Union's primary underwater military communication cables. For years, the U.S. intercepted the Kremlin's raw, unencrypted naval commands, while the Soviets had no idea their secure lines were compromised. By the late Cold War, the focus shifted from simple intelligence gathering to total acoustic invisibility. The Shadow program gave birth to experimental black projects, developing advanced quiet propulsion and early stealth hull concepts, often categorized under secret designations like LFQ technology. Scientists covered submarine hulls with specialized rubberized anechoic tiles designed to completely absorb Soviet sonar pings. Traditional propellers were replaced with shrouded pump-jet propulsion systems, eliminating the sound of water cavitation. These submarines became complete ghosts, capable of sitting silently outside Soviet submarine bases, tracking ballistic missile subs the moment they left port without leaving a single trace on a sonar screen. Today, the Cold War is history, but the silent war for the seabed has reached a fever pitch. The NR-1 was retired in 2008, and the early cable-tapping subs have been scrapped. But their legacy rules the modern world. In an era where 99% of global internet traffic and trillions of dollars in financial transactions flow through vulnerable undersea fiber optic cables, the tactics perfected by the Shadow submarine program are actively being used right now. The deep ocean remains Earth's last great hiding place. The nation that controls its shadows controls the modern world. What do you think is currently moving through the dark trenches? Share your thoughts in the comments below, leave a like, and subscribe for more untold military history.